Hi, I'm Sarah with WTI. We were in need of some new sheets in my son's room, and we found the cutest sheet set. Look at how cute this sheet set is. It is adorable. Both of my kids go crazy over this sheet set, and there's so much to love about it. I think my favorite thing as a mom is how durable they are. I've washed them several times. Both of my kids are kind of rough on them. We've got pets in the house that jump up on the bed, and these things have no signs of wear. I love that. You can see the stitching here, how durable it is, and even if you have a busy life like we do, this sheet set is going to hold up to it. So that is fantastic for my family. I love how snugly these fit on the corners. That is something that irritates my son to no end, is when the sheet doesn't stay on his bed. He's not really a good sleeper. He wakes up a lot, he tosses and turns a lot, and these stay on his bed. So that is wonderful. They're very elasticy, if that is a word, but you know what I mean. The elastic is really good and strong. Now let's talk about how cute this is, because the colors in this and the pattern in it is just adorable, especially if your kids love panda bears the way that mine do. It's so cute. I love their little faces and their paws. It's just perfect. So when you're ready to tuck your kids into bed at night or in the middle of the day, if you just need a break, whatever, no judgments, they're going to be comforted by these lovely sheets. So if you're looking for something cute and fun for your kids' room, you found it. But that's just my point of view.